Hi, I'm Jasmine Panchami, a counseling psychologist. Today's video is focused on nutrition of a child and how it impacts its learning ability. Learning and growing children need a right combination of nutrients which can be easily found in the plant-based foods like fruits, vegetables, legumes, whole grains, healthy fats and starchy veggies. And while the intake of food is vital for proper performances, there are a range of foods available which are loaded with sugar, chemicals, uh, sodium and caffeine, so which not only impacts uh, students grades and performances but also have an influence on their behavior and moods. Neuroscience reveal that diet with high level of saturated fats, just like cheeseburgers, nuggets, french fries, sodas, sugary dessert, not only lower the brain power but also incredibly decrease energy, uh, de- uh, decrease the focus, concentration, and the success in mental performance. Malnutrition is always not just about lack of food, but it is also a lack of nutrients. So here I am going to suggest you a few ingredients that are available in the market along with the processed foods, like artificial colors which are available in cookies, cake decorations and processed foods. These may increase hyperactivity in children, hyperactivity behavior in children. So simply by baking it in your kitchen, you can spare the child with the harmful interactions with these artificial colors. Next comes the artificial flavors which we can find in prepackaged foods and cookies, cake mixes, etc. So adding a pure flavors of some almonds and cashews can help you to avoid these artificial flavors, and also remember it to bake it in your own kitchen. The next is the preservative. The most common thing that we can find is the sodium benzoate, which we can easily avoid it by a little mindful shopping. And sugar. All the research agrees that the sugar is the processed and the processed carbohydrates cause a rapid rise in the amount of glucose circulating in the body and can cause the child to focus less and feel lethargy. So please monitor the fruit juices also, because they are also sometimes loaded with sugar. The last one is the caffeine, which is usually found in the sodas and the coffee, which also can be avoided. So I would personally encourage parents to implement a additive free diet, which can be done with a little bit of planning, forethought, and there are loads of endless menus that you can find in internet, and you can benefit the whole family with a healthy meal. Thank you for watching this video. Stay healthy.